Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get a Jupyter notebook going using Anaconda Python. This is not our recommended route, but if you've already got Anaconda installed because it's some other course you're doing perhaps, or you don't want to have a Google account, then feel free to do it this way. It does require a laptop and you need to install Anaconda Python, so you need to be able to install software on this laptop. Assuming you've succeeded in doing it, what we should do is start up Anaconda Navigator, and then we're going to use Jupyter Lab. That's the most modern version of the Jupyter notebook, and we'll just click Launch on that. This will take a little while, and what it'll do is it'll come up in the web browser. So you'll see this, and then hopefully, ta-da! You've now started Jupyter Lab. Now what you can do here, click on this over here and it will tell you which folder you're in. This is going to be important. You need to check which directory you're in. This is where you're going to, any new folders, any new Jupyter notebooks are going to be saved in this thing. So you might want to create a folder called Jupyter Notebooks or My Physics Notebooks or whatever, and put things in there. If we want to put one here, what you just do is you click here, New Python 3 Notebook, and there you've got it. You've now got a notebook, and you'll now see it showing up in the list of files over here.